Ladies and gentlemen, greetings. I am Dr. Laxter Stevenson, CEO of the A Collision with Purpose movement. It is with great excitement that I invite you to attend the second annual A Collision with Purpose Colloquium. Daily Insights Unveiled, Your Odyssey to Find Purpose. Mark your calendar for February 22nd, 2025. This transformative event will take place at Shiloh High School in Snellville, Georgia. Doors open at 5 p.m. So I encourage you to come early and immerse yourself in an atmosphere of inspiration and empowerment. This year's theme is all about hope and positivity. We're not just coming together to celebrate, we are coming together to make a difference. The evening will be filled with moments to inspire, including scholarships for the next generation of dreamers, electrifying entertainment that uplifts the soul, and heartfelt tributes to remarkable individuals who are creating profound change in their communities. I am also thrilled to share something very personal with you. During the event, I'll be hosting an exclusive book signing for my latest release, Daily Insights Unveiled, Your Odyssey to Find Purpose. This book represents a journey of self discovery, and I can't wait to share its insights with you, knowing they have the potential to spark powerful transformation in your life. And that is not all. Throughout the evening, we will be making some major announcements that are sure to equip and inspire you to take bold steps into your own purpose. These announcements are designed to light the way forward as you continue your journey toward growth and fulfillment. Tickets are available now. Visit my website at acollisionwithpurpose.com to secure your spot today. Don't wait. Your purpose is calling, and this event is your opportunity to answer. Let February 22nd, 2025 be the day that changes everything for you. It is not just another date on the calendar, it is the day your purpose is discovered, your path illuminated, and your life is transformed. Thank you for allowing me to share this moment with you. Together, let us embark on this extraordinary odyssey to find purpose. Blessings always.